Let's see now some more advanced ideas. So we have seen that we have to estimate the weights through this gradient descent or back propagation, and but it is not the only way. So for instance, we could try to search the weights in another setup, in another optimization setup. For instance, we can use particle swarms or genetic algorithms. So we can think of these weights as an individual, and this individual we could have multiple competing individuals. So we have a population, and for each one of these competing individuals we would have a performance. So using genetic algorithms, we can let the population evolve and try to estimate the best weights for this neural network. And we have explained it with genetic algorithms, but you can use particle swarms, you can use simulated annealing, meta-heuristic optimizers. So backpropagation is not the only way to learn the weights, but it is true that it is one of the best ways, practical ways, especially if you want to have a very deep neural networks, because very deep neural networks will have millions of parameters, and then these algorithms, although they are capable in principle to do it, they are not capable of doing it in a reasonable amount of time. The other thing is that you might optimize what is called the hyperparameters. So the hyperparameters, you can optimize what are the intra-layer optimization. So what are the connections that you want to keep? We have seen that a little bit with the random search for connections. You can also optimize the number of layers, the connection between the layers, the type of layers. Even there are some algorithms that explore automatically different connectivities between layers, and then somehow for each one of the connectivities, the architectures, they evaluate what is the best goal function that they can achieve, and then apply somehow these genetic algorithms or whatever they do to try to estimate what are the combinations and what is the architecture that gives a better result in a particular case. You can also try to optimize the optimizer, so changing the optimizer, changing the learning rate, changing the scheduling of the learning rate. So there are many possibilities that you can try to play, trying to optimize all these parameters that are somehow controlling the learning of the weights.